Well, my name is Dennis Clark. I'm a certified prosthetist orthotist. That means that I make artificial arms and legs and braces for people that need them. We do that for people all over the state of Iowa. And quite frankly, we have people that come from a long distance for us to make them prostheses and orthoses. I'm one of the owners of Clark & Associates. We reestablished Clark & Associates, or the company as Clark & Associates, in 2002. So that's only 22 years ago. But I couldn't be more proud of the company that we have and the people that we have within the company and the people that we associate with to help us grow our company and keep us serving the people of the state of Iowa. Patient becomes an amputee. Generally, we'll go and visit them at the hospital and hopefully talk to a family member or someone else. We have some printed material we give them, but we go visit and just let them know their life isn't over. Okay? It's going to be changed, but it's not over. After that, when they heal up enough, then we can measure them for a prosthesis, their initial prosthesis. Think of it this way. You sprain an ankle, okay? It swells up a little bit. Then over time, the ankle starts to heal and the swelling goes away. All right, same thing happens with an amputation. You have an amputation and that swelling occurs. That's protection. That swelling occurs. And as we make a prosthesis for someone and they start walking on it and their muscles are working and there's pressure on it, that swelling goes away. And then we have to make another one that's a little bit smaller and a little bit smaller, and that's completely normal. So in our early discussions, we talk about the phases that we're going to go through, how we're going to get from the beginning to doing better and more functional and all those types of things. So we measure the patient for a prosthesis. We do a diagnostic fitting, make sure everything fits the way we want, stays suspended the way we want, feels the way we want it to feel. And then we fabricate their finished prosthesis, and all that's done here, right in this building. Now, the other 7 locations we have across the state, their work is done here too, but they don't have the technology within their individual offices for that. It's a little bit like dentists. If you're doing dentures or partials, they take an impression, they talk to the patient, they do color, they do all those types of things, and then they send it off to a lab. Well, at Clark & Associates, the lab is part of Clark & Associates' home location, okay? So we fabricate the prosthesis, we fit them, but they're patients for life. The leg's not going to grow back. They're going to need our services going forward. So we don't make arms and legs. We don't. We make tools so people who have lost a limb can function better. Moms and God, that's who makes arms and legs, not us. Now, most prosthetists will tell you, I make arms and legs for a living. That's the coolest answer ever. But it's a little BS. We're making tools. And that's why when I first started, we sculpted everything and made it all beautiful and it looked just like their other leg. We don't do that at all. We rarely do that now. I shouldn't say we don't do it at all. We rarely do that now. And really because of these soldiers that you saw in 2003, 4, and 5, they were on TV all the time with just the pylons. It isn't a real leg. It's a prosthesis. And a prosthesis is a tool for function, health, and quality of life. So it's a long-term solution, not a short-term solution. It's not just for a picture. It's not a photo op. So we concentrate on managing prosthetic care for function, health, and quality of life of the patients we serve. And my guess is that's why that phone call from Walter Reed came here.